Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Moto E6i, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so let me pick this one. Here we have to simply tap on edit contact. And let me quickly remove the photo, so I'll show you what you will see after entering the contact. So right now all we have to do is to tap on this camera icon in the circle, and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, or choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. I'll pick this black wallpaper, and I'm not really sure if you will be able to see it. However, here we've got this square which is responsible for what we will see after saving the contact. Basically, you can zoom in or out the photo. Probably you can see it right now. Here we've got some stars, and basically you can decide what you will see after saving, and if you're happy with your choice, you can simply tap on done. I forgot to say that you can zoom in or out the photo, up to you. Tap on done if you're ready. The photo will be applied right here, so remember to tap on save. And the photo will immediately appear on the contact. You will be able to see it on the contact list, or for example during the incoming calls from that number. Sometimes your device will need the time to refresh itself and apply the photo to the contact list, but no worries, it will appear right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.